I'm gonna be working on the Nova today, rebuilding, one of the other carburetors on it. Got one repair kit yesterday, and had to wait to get the other one today. And it's about 8 straight full of trash. So I'll be rebuilding this carburetor on the pack today, and rebuilt this one yesterday because I only had one rebuild kit. And it's got plugs in the primaries and the secondaries on here. It's got 62 jets in the front, 66 in the back. I'm not entirely sure what size these carburetors are. They're quick fuel 4150 style carburetors. And really don't know much about this car because most I've done is just run it here under the shed. But it was set up like this, so I'm assuming it run like this. And this car wasn't raced or anything in its condition currently. It mostly just got used for cruising the coast, stuff like that, riding around town and stuff. For as far as I know, anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this right here. If I can find my wrist. Try to catch some of this gas. Costs too much to be wasting. My 78 Ford, it don't care. It'll run off this. If it's got a little trash in it, don't care. Oh, nothing come out.
It ain't got no gas in it.
That was just laying in there and popped out. Just kicking around in there. I have no earthly idea what that is. And this looks really clean in here. As you see, plug in primaries. And these are 62s. We got another 62, they're not staggered. Yeah, this one's stuck on. Just have to knock it off like a caveman. Yeah, it's dirty in here. Smells like stale gas. Carburetor cleaner, it's making me a little bit woozy.
This is good shit.
And that screw was already loose on the accelerator pump. That's good. You know, I've seen them where people bow up on them. They pull the threads out or mess up the threads in there. Or they warp that little piece. Yeah, ain't none of these tight. Yeah, see, that's nice and clean. Because I'm not a carburetor expert. but I know enough to be dangerous. Okay, so the carburetors are rebuilt and they're back on the car, and the car runs again. I got a little crappy GoPro over there that I didn't charge the batteries on it, so the batteries, they died, and this thing running the car initially and cranking it up, so I'm gonna see if this thing will crank up again, and I'm gonna put you in a good spot right here towards the back where you can hear it running. And this car sounds really good running. It sounds like I was assuming it's probably was like a 10-to-1 motor, but she's got some thump to it, some compression anyway. She's a little bit more than what I was expecting, which is a good thing. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. See, can I do this without killing myself now? That's the real question. Ooh, spider webs. Gross. New spider webs too. Those weren't there before. Man. Dang, I hate these things. Don't run the other little shitty. I'm your friend now. I fixed you, buddy. This jack sucks too. Easy. Back down where you belong. Uh-oh. I had to go get another jack to get my jack out from under the car. I had to get a jack to get my car off the jack. I had to go dig this one out. I just used this one because it was right here close by. Block of wood. We'll go down the end of the road and come back and see if it'll run again. See if I don't kill myself. And you can just sit right here in the passenger seat. Oh, gotta turn the batteries on. Whole lot more better. Oh. Turn them off. I'm back at the house now. Was talking to my brother out in the front yard and got carried away. Talking to him and his wife. They was looking at the car and everything, and it drives good down the road. I was gonna try and do a burnout with it, but it just fell down on its face. So I'm gonna have to look at some other things and figure some stuff out. But that's all.